got a 2017 Mitsubishi Outlander Sports. Well, taking this radio off, I kind of pry it out already and then took the screw out already because my only got one hand to show, so I can't really show. I'm gonna explain. So basically, you're gonna get like don't use a flathead, use a door panel remover. So you're gonna pry starting from here, the bottom right here first, and then pry it out a little bit, and then start up there a little bit and start going up. Pry it, and then it should pop out one side, and then the same thing as the other side, and it come out. There's a one wire right here. You just push it down and pull it out, and then there's 4 screws right there on the radio. Take the screw out, and then now this is gonna be a fun part. Now I test this thing already. This does not have a amplifier. I tested. I'm gonna show you how to hardwire this thing without use anything else, just beside the radio itself. Now this is a 10.1 screen, so here we go. I'm gonna start installing the left rear first, which is a green wire from the radio. Green and green black. Green is positive, so I got green to the brown, and then I got green black to the yellow. Now next I want to run the wire to the right rear, which is the blue, go to the purple, and then light green is the go to the purple black right there. Now next one, I'm going to do the left front, which is the driver front. I'm going to hook up the white to the white right here. You look at the plug, it's white, it's positive, and then black on the bottom of it. Some of you guys might ask me, why do I have 2 black wire, which one? So that's the one. It's up and down, top and bottom, basically, for the speaker harness. There's a black wire right here, but that's for ground. This is for ground, but you don't want to hook up to the ground, so you want to hook up this white to the white right there, and then the black go to the white black of the aftermarket harness. Now the final one is the gray wire, which is right front. Right front, you want to hook it up to the gray. You want to hook up to the red wire. See, the red wire is right next to the brown and blue. So you got red wire and the green wire underneath there. Now I'm ready to hook up ignition wire. Ignition wire, you're going to hook up the red wire from the aftermarket to the white one right there. It would be on this plug, pin 1. Pin 1 is ignition. Now you want to hook up a yellow wire, which is a constant, to the red wire right there, pin 10. And then on the bottom of that is a ground, which is pin 20. So here's the ground hooked up. Now everything's already hooked up. You don't have to hook up any other wire besides well, if you got a backup wire, you're gonna have to hook it up. But if you don't have to, the blue wire is a remote wire. None of that need to be hooked up. Once everything hooked up, I usually taped it. Tape all the wire, bare wire, and now it's ready to plug. Now for the screen, this is what it's gonna look like. It's pretty simple. Now what I usually do, I put the 2 screw right there. This is a metal that come with it. 2 screw right there. I put the hot glue already right there, just to hold it so it don't move around too much. I'm gonna adjust this left and right so that way it stay. It won't come out due to heat, because just the glue alone, sometime when it's hot, it can be melted or soft and it can move. So I'm gonna make it where it won't move. Now when like this, you want to put like a needle nose and bend it like this and go down, so that way it stops right there, so it's not gonna go any other place. And then after that, you can just push it down so it's tightened. Same as right here. See that? And then you can put hot glue right there. It's not gonna move anywhere anymore.
Yeah. Just get me in trouble is what that do.
Really?
Can't drive slow on the damn thing.
Now I'm not gonna turn the volume on, so get the heat off real quick. I'm going to go click on home. Should take this out right now. Click home. And the sound should be apps right here. All that link for the app right there is how the radio look like. This is for his phone. He probably had to move it somewhere else. Trying to get a good video out of this. Now I'm gonna go to a basic process right here. I'm gonna, well, not basic process. I'm gonna click on the YouTube right here. I already connect the Wi-Fi already. Oh, nope, 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 that's not it. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna move this. I don't need a phone link. You can link the phone here. I'm trying to find YouTube channel. Where's YouTube at? Oh, right there. YouTube. Click on YouTube. Oh, I want me to update. Wonder how long it's take to update. Oop, can't sign in because I don't want to add my account in here. Right here, you click on Chrome. I couldn't go to YouTube, so I'm gonna click on Chrome. Take me to Chrome, accept. No thanks. Don't need to sign in. Now you can go to whatever channel. Let's say let's try to find me through this thing. Click on that one. Khmer, Ohio. Click OK. Oops. I meant to find something out, but yeah, that's what it tell me on Khmer, Ohio. Now Khmer, Ohio on YouTube. Maybe you find me in there. You see. I still want me to update the YouTube, but anyway, that's how it works.